Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today topic is how to create a table in Revit architectural families. For that, already opened Revit architectural. You just go here, select file, new, family, and then here metric furniture option is there. See here we have metric furniture option, then open. After that, you just if you need square or rectangular table, that basis I'm going to select reference plane. Pick plane. Offset is just I created 2 feet, this side 2 feet and opposite side 2 feet. Okay, select reference plane, pick a plane, same thing 2 I'm using. From this side and this side, because here I am going to make a square, so that is what. Then go to create options. In that extrusion, select a rectangular from this corner to this corner. You just give a finish. After that, go to 3D view. Go to 3D view. See here, just check it your model. Select. I just activate the properties. Select extrusion end. For me the table is there, no, that is 2 inch thickness is enough. Apply. See, it's created. Go to bottom plane, same thing, create extrusion, set a work plane, pick a plane. Okay, I just select the bottom plane, so that's what I go for the bottom. Options. Here I need one corner, then select this, copy from here to here, same thing, this both, copy from here to here. After that, just give your finish, go to 3D view, see here, select that particular plane, how much you need is just extended, or else you can go here extrusion end options. For me that I need 2 feet. 2 feet, apply. See, I think you got it, the information. Then go to PT. Here nothing material is there, so that's what I will go to the create material option, realistic view, manage material, and then go here, select create new material option, right click, rename, just I renamed as 1, then select your material browser. Here I need some wood colors, so that's what I just search as a wood. See here we have different kinds of wood. In that I am going to select this one, then apply. Okay, after that go to PT, select this, apply all the faces. So how much thickness and the depth width you need, you can make that. Just here I'm using 2 feet each side. After that, the stand height is 2 feet, here I'm using. So that's it. See, our table is ready. Then how we can load this means, just see here, or else if you need multiple times means go here, save as, where you need you can save the family. Here I'm just go to given desktop, that is table, save. So load into project, see, escape 3D view. See, our table is imported. So like this we can make all the furniture Okay, that's it. This is a procedure for making tables. Upcoming classes I will make different types of furnitures. Thank you for watch this sessions. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to get the updated notification.